Let me quickly show you the power of this machine. So for breakfast, I have a combination of linseed, sunflower seeds and chia seeds and almond meal as a porridge. So I haven't got any, I've run out of almond meal. So instead of buying some, which, you know, for a 400 gram bag costs around like $11, I'm just going to do it in my machine. So a new feature that they brought out a couple of weeks ago is the chop feature, which allows you to do it manually. So I'm going into the different modes. I'm going into chop, and they've got chocolate and nuts as a setting already here. Okay, then we've got nuts over here, almonds and hazelnuts. So that's what I'm doing. I want ground. Now, I don't know how many almonds I've got. So I'm going to the scales, and I've got these almonds here. Just going to put them in there. So that is around 250 odd, right? So we're going to here, ground 150 grams to 250 grams. Incredibly easy. It just goes set, and it tells me 6 seconds at speed 7. And then it just shows the power of this machine so quickly. And there are my ground almonds. There's no way I could achieve this in my food processor. It just doesn't get it ground enough. So if you are thinking about getting a Thermomix on your bench, sing out, because they've got an incredible special on at the moment, but it finishes on this Thursday at midnight, that you get an extra bowl, lid and blade for only $29, and it's normally $375. So it is an incredible, incredible deal. Okay, I'm off to enjoy my breakfast. See ya.